grade ones, in today's short video, we're going to be learning about non-standard measurements. So we're going to be finding different items around our home, like shoes and paper clips, and we're going to be using them to measure different items. So in this short video, I want to measure this book using this tiny paper clip, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So there are two things I want you to keep in mind while we're measuring. So first of all, choosing the right non-standard tool is very important. We want to pick a tool that's smaller than the item we're trying to measure, but we don't want it too small because then it'll take forever. For example, if I took this paper clip and I tried to measure my backyard, it would take forever because it's so tiny. And if I took this shoe and tried to measure my book, it's not the right fit either because you can see my shoe is already bigger than the book. So we want to pick a tool to measure our item that is just right. The second important thing to remember is that we have to be accurate. So being accurate means we're going slowly and carefully, and we're using our fingers and our eyes to move our measuring tool. So it's really important that we begin at the very bottom of our item and that we're being very careful as we measure so that we can get the most accurate measuring possible. So let's measure this book together. You can use your hundreds chart at home to help you count, as it's easy to get mixed up when we're counting in our heads. I don't have a hundreds chart at home, so I'm going to be keeping track on paper. So are you ready to begin? So this is our paper clip, and this is our book. And it's really important to line up our paper clip with the very bottom of the book, so we're being as accurate as possible, and that's number one. Now we're going to line up our finger with the top of the paper clip, and we're going to move the paper clip up right to where our finger is right now. So that's 2. And once again, we're lining up the paper clip with our finger. We're being as precise as possible, and that's 3. And that's 4. And as you can see, I'm going very slowly and carefully, because I want to get an accurate measurement of this book. That's 5. That's all right. It's okay if your measuring tool falls off. Just make sure to pick it up and put it back exactly where it came from. So that was our 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. And 10. So wow, our book is 10 paper clips long. Cool. All right, grade ones, as you can see, it's really quite simple to measure different items at home using non-standard tools. We just need to remember to be accurate, which means going slowly and carefully, and we need to remember to pick the right tool. So we don't want anything too small or anything too big, but it just depends on what you're measuring. So grade ones, it's your turn now. This week, you're creating structures that are as long as you, and you're gonna be measuring your structures with your shoes. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you're creating, and I'll see you soon. Bye.